Hello and welcome to a new channel. Whoa, what an echo. Yeah, I want to give you a little update, and today the update is about my personal life. I haven't been updating videos, uploading videos as much as I want to. The reason for that is this echo. We have been planning the last few weeks a very big remodeling, and well, I want to show you quickly what that entails. So ever since we bought our house, we had some issues with poor windows and also with poor window frames. As you can see, they're all leaking and there are all these water spots inside the windows. And what we have decided to do is change out all the windows, all the window frames, all the door frames. And that's also because, well, first of all, these ones are leaking, and at the top we have single glass. We are now going for triple glass. And the other thing is that if you look at the floor, we had cheap IKEA flooring here, and we are now going for heated floors with tiles. And the other thing is that we had a very little kitchen that was not very nice. And we have decided to completely redesign the kitchen and remake the kitchen. So the whole kitchen is pulled out, and what we are now waiting for is the guys who will do all the plumbing and will also do the floor heating, of course. And this weekend we already put in the top of the kitchen, basically, which is a ceiling that houses all the lights, and I think it looks awesome. It was quite a tricky one because our ceiling isn't very straight and our walls aren't very straight, but yeah, I think it looks fantastic, and I'm very happy with it. As you can see, we already removed one window, and that is because we needed to raise that window so we can put the kitchen in a L shape, basically. So yeah. So as you can see, a lot of work has been going into tearing down the house and tearing down everything, but also of course planning financially, and yeah, so that has been taking my mind off other things like making YouTube videos. I have a lot of content prepared, but I haven't uploaded any. So we will continue with that shortly, I hope. Most of the planning work and most of the things that I have to do myself are done, and yeah, today is just waiting on the guys who will start installing the new windows and the new doors, and then later on this week they will start with the flooring. If you like to see an update on that, I will, but this was just a short update to let you know I'm still alive and I'm working on everything, but yeah, this is more important than making YouTube videos at this point. So yeah, this has a higher priority, and well, hope to be able to put out videos shortly again. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.